Hey, Esme. What are you doing? You have the hiccups. Did you like them? No, look at that grumpy face. She's so upset about them. You're a silly girl. With those hiccups. Goodness. Oh, it's making you so upset. Oh, she's gonna punch the camera. She's so mad. I know. I know. You can't eat while you have these silly hiccups, though. Oh, that makes her even more upset. Well, this is what we're doing at 20 to 2 in the morning. I hope you're sleeping. Our faithful viewer. Can you say bye-bye, Esme? Oh, why she oughta.